one-stop online shop for all your printing needs. Brochures are a great way to represent your products or services to your targeted audience. You know what they say, you don't ask, you don't get. You can present products or services along with a call to action. First impression is the last impression, so don't lose this opportunity and get professional looking and publicly appealing brochures printed today by us. We are specialized in printing of all types. Our brochures come in full colors, double-sided, and can be folded according to your choice, from half-fold to C-fold, from tri-fold to no-fold, or any custom style. We offer free custom designing services on all products along with free lamination, matte look or gloss look, and free delivery anywhere you like. Check out our different products from the left side of our website in the category box. Choose the product sizes and styles and choose the one you like. Chat to one of our advisors online by clicking the live chat button on the right side of the website. You can contact us by going to the Contact Us button, or you can call us on the number provided on the right side of the website, or simply click Skype, Call Me, button on the top of the website. Thank you again for visiting us, and we hope you enjoy your shopping.